Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today is a wonderful day. You know why? I have finished coding a game in Python. The name of the game is Tom and Jerry Battle. It has more than 700 lines of code. Maybe you can code the same game with less lines. I have converted the code into an exe file. Let's run and watch. This is a two-player game. If you click I, you will get the controls for both the players. If you click I again, it will close. Let's play. Initially, the sweater and hammer used to pass through after hitting the player. I took little time to recode it, so that it will drop after hitting the target. These two are health bars. Tom and Jerry will lose health if they got hit. Let's see. They can regain health by eating food. Let's see. So Jerry will jump onto the table and so will Tom. And if Jerry eats the food, his health bar will increase here. And if Tom eats the food, his health bar will increase here. Initially, while eating food, health bars will progress, but food will remain same. I spent more time to recode so that food will reduce while eating. You can exit the game anytime by pressing escape. If you are interested to have the code, kindly subscribe and request for the same. I'll send you. So now, let's play the game. So as you can see here, Tom is eating the food and Jerry is shooting Tom. Tom ate all the food, he still has low health. Now at the end you can either keep playing by pressing Y or quit the game by pressing N. That's all for today. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.